Meron ako ditong mais nilaga. Mainit pa to siya, umuusok pa. Ito yung lunch ko. Guys, kain po tayo. Meron po akong mais na malagkit. It's like a glutinous corn. See that? It's still hot. This will be my lunch. Let's eat. Ang laki oh. Nugget. Init. Kumain kayo nito, be?
Oatmeal.
Ang sarap, guys. Nilaga lang. Malagkit siya. It's too hot. Ang sarap. Pinainggit ba? Malagkit siya. It's glutinous. It's really big. Guys, if you're gonna eat this one very big, you will really full. This is carbohydrates. But it's healthy because it's corn. Very hot. Mausok pa.